All right, everybody. Next up, we've got break number, this is 14 out of our Gold Rush Sensational Signatures Autograph Baseball Bat break. So we're getting down, we're in our last case of this, and a chance to pull some huge names in some of these boxes. So every spot in this break gives you 3 random teams. So Jeff, you've got 3 spots. William, you've got 2. Rick's got 3. Danny's got 1, and then Donnie closed us out with the last spot. And then we got break 15 on the website now. There's only 5 spots left in that, if you guys want to help close that one out tonight. So let's go ahead and randomize our teams first. We'll mix this up 5 times. No, Vincent, the super break, the supercharged one will be on Friday night. So that one should go live. Should go live tomorrow. You should see it on the website tomorrow. So everything that's on the website now is open to break tonight. All right, 3 teams per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times as well. All right, guys, here we go. So, Danny, you've got the Tigers, the Twins, and the Royals. Donnie's got the Angels, the Rays, and the Red Sox. Jeff, you've got the Cardinals, Nationals, Blue Jays, Cubs, Yankees, Reds, Mets, Mariners, and Giants. Rick, you've got the Astros, the Phillies, the A's, the Pirates, the Orioles, White Sox, Braves, Padres, and Marlins. And then, William, you've got the Diamondbacks, the Dodgers, the Rangers, the Rockies, the Brewers, and the Indians. Yeah, Vincent, so all the eBay stuff, that'll all go down tonight. But anything you see on our website, if you want to grab any of those and it fills up tonight, we'll break it tonight. All right. So, tape and seal on this end, as well as this one. Oh, I know who that one is. That's a big hurt right there, Frank Thomas. That's going to be a White Sox. There it is. The big hurt. It is Beckett Authenticated. Yeah. So White Sox going to Rick. Rick's winning ways continue tonight, man. He's cleaning up. So, Rick, congratulations, man. Nice big hurt autograph bat. I'll get that in the mail to you tomorrow. And we've got 5 spots left in this second one if you guys want to fill it up. And see if we can pull a big name out of that one.